If you tried using ChatGPT recently and it didn't respond, or was painfully slow, you weren't alone. In fact, the entire world felt it. ChatGPT went down, and people everywhere? They were panicking, refreshing, and asking one big question: what happened to ChatGPT? Let's break it all down. Earlier today, thousands, maybe even millions, of users noticed something strange. They opened up ChatGPT like they normally do, typed in a question, hit enter, and got nothing. No clever answers. No helpful replies. Just silence. Even big-time users of the API, the system developers use to plug ChatGPT into apps and tools, were reporting issues. And guess what? It wasn't just you. It was a full-blown outage. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, quickly updated their status page. They marked it with a big red warning, basically saying, yep, it's down. Total shutdown. That red status? It wasn't just a glitch or a small bug. It meant that ChatGPT servers were in serious trouble. So what caused it? Well, as of now, OpenAI hasn't given a detailed reason, but many are guessing it was a server overload. Too many people. Too many requests. Too fast for the system to handle. When AI becomes this popular, it's bound to hit a few bumps on the road. But here's the twist. Just a few hours later, the red status changed. Now it's yellow. That means some parts of ChatGPT are back online. But not everything. OpenAI posted an update at exactly 12:23 p.m. Eastern Time. We are seeing continued recovery across API and ChatGPT. We will provide further updates as progress is made. Okay, progress. That's good, right? But wait, what does that actually mean for regular users like us? Well, reports started rolling in from users around the world. And it was a mixed bag. Some people said ChatGPT was back, but super slow. Like watching paint dry. Others said it worked fine. For a while. Let's hear what a few users had to say. Tara from Atlanta said, it's back up, but also running slow. Yep, sounds familiar, right? Ching from Singapore shared, I can already use the 4o model normally, and it has been used for more than 30 minutes. The time displayed by the mobile phone is currently the Singapore time zone. Translation? In Singapore, things are looking better. Then there's Faye from the Philippines who said, mine from the Philippines is already working but still kinda little slow, but it's already responding. Hey, we'll take that. And here's something interesting. The number of reports on Down Detector, a website that tracks outages, dropped to just 715. That's way lower than before. Which means the worst might be over. Are we in the clear? Not 100% yet. But we're getting there. This whole situation shows just how many people rely on ChatGPT every single day. Think about it. We use it for school, writing, coding, even to ask weird, random questions in the middle of the night. When it goes down, it feels like the internet lost one of its smartest brains. Crazy, right? And it's not the first time this has happened. AI tools, even powerful ones like ChatGPT, aren't invincible. Servers break. Traffic spikes. Systems crash. It's a reminder that even the smartest tech needs a break sometimes. But here's what's really wild. Even while it was down, people were talking about it nonstop. Reddit threads, Twitter posts, YouTube videos. Everyone wanted to know one thing. When will ChatGPT be back? And now, we're finally starting to see the light. Things are recovering. The models are slowly coming back online. Performance is still a bit sluggish, yes, but at least it's working.